Okay guys, as promised, I was going to do a short video. 2 seconds, I'm just changing the camera around to stop me from looking at the screen. As I said, I was going to do a drone video on the DJI Phantom 4 that you saw a video of previously about how I spent a stupid amount of money on eBay, kind of gambling on whether I'd get it or not. Got a bit carried away. Not exactly sure how this is going to go. But yeah, we'll jump into it. First thing I will say is the drone is in perfect working order. However, there has been a couple of wee things that are the issues that can be fixed quite easily. The likes of the gimbal mount is broken, if you see right there. Other than that, everything works fine. I need to do an update on the firmware inside of it. But other than that, it works brilliantly. From a beginner point of view, I'd say it's a great drone. It basically flies itself. You don't have to make massive adjustments for it to fly. Point 2 that I will say is where I've been flying it, there has been set restrictions. I am not one of these people who are going to fly it miles away from myself where I can only just make it out. I kind of panicked in one of the shots that you'll see if I can differentiate it. I'll put it in right now. In one of the shots I kind of panicked because I lost sight of where it was because I was too busy focused on the screen and making sure that the shot was good. There is that aspect, but all in all I tend to fly at line of sight. Even when I did lose it, it was still right in front of me. It was just because it was such a bright day it got lost in the brightness. I would say it's a fantastic drone for beginners. Professional quality. If you wanted to do the Commercial Aviation Authority tests, then it would be a fantastic drone to be able to do those things. I am waiting with bated breath to see what comes up in the government debates on what happens. From that, it'll be an interesting thing to find out how they're going to regulate it. Will it be the same in line with the USA, whereby hobbyists just have to pay a registration fee, one-off registration fee, and then display that number somewhere on the drone itself, and then they're held accountable. That registration number is transferable straight back to them. Should the police find the drone and it's been flown erratically, etc. I agree with that point. I think drone users should be held accountable for how they fly their drone, because you're always going to get pillocks that fly it stupidly and not paying attention to their surroundings, not taking heed of the warnings that you get when you start it up, whereby it picks out your location. Would thoroughly recommend the DJI Phantom 4 as a beginner to medium professional level. If you're doing short promotional videos, that's the sort of thing that I would think it would be adequate for. And independent feature films or short films, there's no need to get massive rigs like octocopters or anything like that unless you are specifically going for sort of mounted RED systems or Arri Alexas or Blackmagic cinema cameras, or even your Canon 5D, or like what I'm shooting on, the 700D, which you can find the link for down below in the description. But yeah, I would say it's a fantastic thing. Hopefully I will get a lot more use out of it. Today has been great weather during the start of the day and wasn't able to get any shots later on once I was free due to the rain. I've not flown it in the rain yet. I am waiting for some better quality days, the likes of the summer where you get that hot rain and you get the steam and everything. I want a specific look for those shots that I want to do in the rain, and I don't really fancy risking the drone at the moment. I know that it'll cope alright in that sort of rain, not the heavy torrential rain. How many times can I say rain in one second? Rain, 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 rain. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you a quick update on what I have been doing with the DJI. Alright guys, so that was the first impressions of my DJI Phantom 4 that I bought on eBay. You can catch that video just up in the wee box just above my head somewhere. If you want to see more content like this, more aerial photography, more mountain biking, craft videos, whatever takes my fancy at the time, public debates, all of that sort of thing, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for a wee rating, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I will get back to them as soon as possible. But until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one.